Guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to talk about how to make money with mutual funds using Cowrywise. I'm going to show you proof of everything I'm going to talk about on this channel. Now guys, this platform Cowrywise, it's a very fantastic platform. Now I am not a financial advisor, so whatever I'm sharing is based off of my own experience, and I'm sure it's going to help you because it has actually helped me. So whatever thing you are doing, make sure you do your own due diligence in order for you to follow up. So that's it, let's continue. So guys, this platform Cowrywise has actually helped me in so many ways using mutual funds. Now I'm going to go straight to the point, showing you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I go to this invest section here and come to this Naira mutual funds down here, if I click on this section, you're going to see some of my investment premium investment packages. So I'm going to go to this conservative, right? So if I click on this conservative, so far so good, this is amount I have presently. But if I come to this place and click on this plan report, so let's see in total what this plan report is talking about. So in total, this plan report is saying I've deposited 2.6 over 2.6 here, and then I've withdrawn over 2.3 right here. But let's look at this interesting part. This is the dividends, and this is talking about how much I've earned so far since I opened this investment plan, right? So as you can see, I've earned over a total of 100k, 111k, right? And this is money that would, this money, right, is money that will have sat in my account and I will earn zero from other regular banks. I don't want to call their names, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So so far so good. I've earned 111k, and this is amazing. Now how do you also become a partaker of something like this, of investing on this kind of mutual funds? It's called mutual funds, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So after you've signed up in your account, you verified your account and everything, so that money that you're not using currently, or you want to invest, or you want to use to invest on something that's going to earn you something, and you want your money to be safe, I will encourage you to, or I'll suggest you actually invest it on this platform called Cowrywise mutual funds. Now how do you get to the mutual funds section? Now if you come to this invest section here, we're going to use Naira mutual funds. So right here I already have a lot of portfolio that I'm managing, but in your own case you can just click on invest in a Naira mutual fund, as you can see here. So once you click on it, now don't forget you can also do whatever I'm showing you right now. You can do it on your mobile. They have an app, right? I'm only just using their website because I'm on my laptop and I need to show you so that you understand, but you can actually do this on your mobile phone, on their mobile app, either on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store, whichever one works. So right now they have two. We can do a managed portfolio where Cowrywise is managing, or we'll do it ourselves. Now whichever one you choose, the same thing, but just a little difference. I don't want to talk about it right now, but of course the difference is not much. But what I know is managed mutual funds comes invest in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds designed to help you achieve your long-term growth, right? Cowrywise do this, and then do it yourself. Invest in any mutual funds. There are different types of mutual funds you can see. So I'm going to show you what two of them looks like. So let's go to manage portfolio. What's going to happen is Cowrywise is going to manage this portfolio, and this cut across several options. So right now we have this. I want to preserve my capital while earning returns, or I want a high risk tolerance. I want a potentially high returns. Guys, for me, I've done this too, but presently I'm only using this conservative portfolio because I want my capital to be safe, right? I want it to be preserved and just earn any return from it. But if you want to risk a little bit, then you can go with this. I want a high risk tolerance, and I have a higher risk tolerance. I want potentially higher returns. If you want higher returns and you have high risk tolerance, you can use them. But I think in another video, if this video does very well and people are interested, I can then compare the two of them and then show you what I think and what I feel like. But let's go to this conservative mutual fund. So it's cost across fixed placement 30 to 35%, T treasury bills, commercial paper 30 to 35%. So I mean, these are what makes up this portfolio conservative stuff. If you're interested, you just click on continue, and then right now it's going to ask us how much do we want to invest. So let me just click on this 100k. Then we're going to choose a payment plan. Is either I'm paying with bank transfer or stash. Stash is where your money is going to be on this platform. They call it stash, so it could be your withdrawable fund, right? You can also link your bank. I already link two of my bank, right? So once you do this payment of 100k now, your money is going to be used to buy some stocks or some stuff depending on what I've showed you earlier, and then you've invested in mutual funds that way, and you start earning returns every month, just like you see me do, and just like I showed you in the beginning of this video. So let's go to this individual mutual funds. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. So individual mutual funds are individual investment places, what will I call it now, individual investment individual funds, right? So they have different companies that are that do this in mutual funds, right? So you can invest in them individually, or allow Cowrywise to pick the top performing ones and then invest it on diversify it, right? Or you can actually use any of them. So I know I've used this United Capital Money Mutual Fund before, and then this Afriverse Plus funds. I've actually invested in both of them before. So if I go to this United Capital stuff, it's the same thing. As you can see, you can actually even monitor what their mutual fund has been doing recently or before, and you're gonna see how to earn. You earn returns daily based on your current investment amount, and the current rate returns are paid out to your stash or reinvested automatically. In my own case, I reinvest it, except I need money like urgently, and then I can go ahead to take it. But aside that, I reinvest it. So you can actually see so many information, and if you are cool with it, you can then click on invest now, and it's going to take you through the same process that I showed you earlier on. Now I've showed you exactly how to invest in these mutual funds. I'm going to tell you what are the benefits, right? For me, the benefit is, instead of you to keep your money in the bank doing nothing, invest in mutual funds and have your funds work for you, have your money work for you, right? Earn money while you have money. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but that's the way I see it. Like, you can actually earn from your own money, because so far I've done this and it works, right? I mean, I withdraw money from this platform when I need to. As you can see here from what I've showed you, this is a clear evidence that this works, right? And I've earned a dividend of more than 100k from this little amount of 2.6. So it's actually amazing if you compare it with just leaving your money in the bank. So far so good. This month I've earned just 5k. I mean, this 5k could be small to you, but money that I don't know, it just came based on returns. I mean, that is amazing. That is better. I'm making this video on the 4th of January. This is just 4 days, right? And then we have, I mean, on the 5th of January. Okay, I'm making this video. This is early morning, 5th of January. And I already have 5k. I mean, if you consider it, if I leave this money for long, because this is a long-term game, right? So if you leave it for long, you see that your money is going to pile up, and then you have even more chances of making more money. So I want to encourage you, I want to advise you, I want to say, based off of my own experience, mutual funds is what some of you need to invest on instead of leaving your money in the bank. Okay, so Cowrywise also do a lot of other stuff, not only mutual funds. You can actually automate your savings, right? If you are looking to do some savings for some things that are important to you, you can automate savings here, and it works like magic. I'm actually using all of the features, guys. So please, guys, check it out, see exactly how you can actually utilize this section for you to be practical of all of these things. I've actually brought update to you guys, and I've shared it with you guys. So I want you to make sure you take advantage of it. And then if you have any question, tell me in the comments. If you want me to talk about anything, or if something's confusing you, or if you want to know more about anything, the comment is there. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.